Good morning, Kristen here. Having a bit of a hectic day, but I'm so happy that I am in a position where I know that I can just breathe and relax and let myself remember that time is on my side, just like that old song used to sing. And one of the biggest things I've learned in my life is not to be anxious if I'm in a rush somewhere and I'm needing to get somewhere and I'm maybe cutting it close on time, but that most important thing I can do is pay attention and drive safe and be aware of my surroundings and take deep breaths and let it go, knowing that I will do my best to get there safely, relaxed, calm, and to have a great day, and I hope you do too.